All right, guys, I want to show you all this Thomas the Tank Engine train. There's two trains. Neither one of these are Thomas. This is Caitlin. Yep, Caitlin. And this is, what's this guy's name? Steven. Two trains from the Thomas show, and they do work. I'm going to run them. The batteries are working right now. They may not be working by the time you get it. You can see both trains work really well. No issues. And I'm going to turn them off so I can talk. There we go. And then you get all this track that you see here. The track that's set up, and then of course the track that's on the inside of that track too. So, and then this thing, I think this will immobilize your train while it's on top of this. There's a switch right here, and there's all this extra stuff. There's some kind of bridge thing going on here. You can use these to get up and down from the bridge. So pretty neat little set, and everything works fine. Just has some normal signs of use. So just wanted to show that working. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.